Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Monica. Today I am bringing you look number 12 from our 13 Days of Halloween series with a witch. This is something kind of nice and simple and quick that you can do, but it's still gonna be super pretty, really easy to wear, super fun, all that good stuff. So if you'd like to see how to recreate this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so to start I already have my foundation, contacts, and eyebrows on. I'm just going to clip my hair out of the way and we'll get started here. So I'm going to grab a green cream color and I'm just dabbing this along the perimeter of my face and along my cheekbones, starting to blend that in, also on the tip of my nose, and using that to contour. Blending that all in with a disposable sponge and then going in with a light kind of seafoam green eyeshadow. I'm using this to start blending in the green we put down earlier a little bit more. It's also going to help create that gradient into our skin. And then going in with a darker green eyeshadow to further contour and deepen the very edges of the perimeter and cut that cheekbone a little bit more. I'm then using my NYX black jumbo eye pencil all over the lid, blending that out. And then taking a kind of purpley brown eyeshadow and using this in the crease to further blend. Also putting the black pencil on my lower lid and blending that out as well. I'm then going in with the Kat Von D lash liner and placing this in my waterline. And then using a glitter primer, I'm just patting a little bit of this on my lid and then going in with the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. I'm grabbing that dark green glitter shadow, packing this on the inner and middle portion of my lid. So pretty, you guys. And then using the purple shade right underneath that in the palette on the outer corner and just kind of blending it together. I'm also sweeping that green glitter shade all along the lower lid. And then I'm going into my Kat Von D Alchemist palette, grabbing the purple shade and using this to highlight everything. So I'm putting that in the inner corner, brow bone, nose, cupid's bow, cheekbones, and a little bit on my forehead apparently. And then using mascara to coat my upper and lower lashes. And then taking some custom made paper lashes, I'm popping those on. Also putting a individual cut up lash on the center of my lower lash line. And then I'm filling in my lips with a blackish green liquid lipstick. Next I'm going to be contouring my collarbones and the front of my throat with that dark green eyeshadow, and then going in with some black eyeshadow to further define those areas, and then highlighting it all with that purple highlighter from earlier. Next, I'm taking a brown eyebrow pencil and using this to create faux freckles along my cheeks and the bridge of my nose, patting it out with my fingers to blend it in and soften it a little bit more. Using a black felt tip eyeliner, I am creating a faux mole or beauty mark right above my upper lip, and then also going in with the eyeliner and creating little fake eyelashes extending from the lower lash line. And that's it, you guys. You are now a witch. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to subscribe if you'd like to be a part of our creepy little family. Also, make sure to like this video if you enjoyed it. Share it with your friends, because you like me sometimes. We have one more look to go, you guys. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Mwah!